how to find the message content notifications settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find message content notifications settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now click these three lines here in the top corner. Go down, click settings and then notifications, and here just go down, you will find push, click on it and then click this one. Here you can manage message content, you can turn it off or on and go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.